Hi folks, we're Simon and Emma, aka Iggs'n'Morts. We're a UK couple who love to travel and ride our Harley Davidson. We have decided to take an adventure on our Harley Sportster 883. We are riding 2 up on a road trip across Europe to southern Turkey, crossing a continent to reach our base for 3 months in Fethiye. This is near the resort of Uludeniz, Turkey. It's our first morning in Chios. We haven't yet got our hotel room, but we're just having a wander around the village to see what to expect. So in this village they burn Judas Iscariot. This is part of the Easter celebrations for the orthodox Christians. There we go. In another part of Chios, they actually fire rockets at each other, fireworks rockets, from one church to another, and this is part of the thing, sort of celebration as well, but it's a lot more fierce than this.
No, nice evening. A lovely meal.
Yeah.
A little bit of entertainment. You didn't wait round too long, did you?
Yeah, that kebab was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah, food was really nice. £35 it was for that.
How beautiful is this place? Oh, some spot. Oh wow, look at this. Good morning. Hello. It's a good start, isn't it? Barbecuing a pig.
Morning.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good morning.
How was your night? Good.
Yeah, good. You slept very well.
Good morning.
Is it cold in the room? You can put
No, it's just here. Oh, the room's fine.
Yeah, you can put the heater or the heater.
The red eggs are his speciality. Our accommodation here is actually a tiny cottage with a tiny little living room, a kitchen, a bathroom downstairs, and a mezzanine bedroom. Fire still going from last night. Today we're going to explore some of Chios. We're riding through the Neo-Moni, and translated as New Monastery, which was built in the 11th century. It's the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's really known for the beautiful mosaics. I think they're in gold. We thought we'd be in t-shirts and be able to go to the beach and swim in the sea on Chios, and it's cold. On the weather report it says it's 17 or 18 degrees, but I feel like it's colder than that. I've got 3 layers of trousers on, thermal leggings and jeans, and a few tops as well, and it's chilly. Windy as well. The monastery had been very wealthy, and at some point over 800 monks lived there. But after 1822, the Ottomans had attacked and slaughtered a lot of people in Chios, including a mass slaughter of people actually in the monastery who had taken refuge. As a result of this, there is a display of skulls actually in the monastery. We're just going to have a little wander to the monastery now. I'm going to apologise in advance for all the banging, because it seems to be part of the Easter celebrations here that they let off bangers. So it's been going on since yesterday, and yeah, they just indiscriminately set off bangers. So beautiful ruins here. Beautiful. Oh. It says, you're kindly requested to be decently dressed. This is a holy place. And they got scarves there and long shirts for ladies. I've got my scarf with me. What a beautiful place. So we're allowed to film in here, but we can't use any flash photography. So we're just gonna be respectful of that. I don't really use flash anyway, so I'm always filming with my GoPro. So. Gorgeous little courtyard. Church bells here.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me,
We were expecting to find a beach, but up on top of the hill it was a little village, so we decided to come and have a look at this as well. God, it's a very pretty place. Very, very pretty. Looks like there's a little train. Do you reckon that's to carry rubble and stuff? That's crazy, isn't it? It says there, look, it's an art stage. Landscape here is unreal. It's a lot like Turkey. Thank you for joining us on this little exploration of Chios. We're going to continue this as we go down to a wild beach on the coast in our next video, so please join us then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate your views. Thank you. Bye bye.